Welcome students, I am Mrs. Patil Yasdi from AGM College Karad. Today we are going to study new writing skill topic, appeal writing. Appeal writing. Students, you know, now we are facing very serious problem of COVID-19, and so we have chosen very recent topic for our appeal writing. See, our question is, write a leaflet on beware of COVID-19 or coronavirus with the help of the following points. In your activity sheet, there will be one question for 4 marks. Question will be like this. I will repeat the question. Write a leaflet on beware of COVID-19 or coronavirus with the help of following points. Points will be like this: seriousness of COVID-19, symptoms of COVID-19. Next point is precautions to avoid infection, diet plan to fight against COVID-19, persuade people to stay at home, and add your own points. But before writing any appeal, you must know marking scheme of appeal. Marking scheme is like this. 2 marks are for presentation of the content. Presentation of the content, 2 marks. Then convincing language, 1 marks. Convincing language, 1 mark. Then 1 mark is for inspiring and motivational message. Inspiring and motivational message. 1 mark means for 4 marks we have to attempt this question, but you must keep in mind how should be your appeal. There must be use of persuasive language, means you have to appeal the people. Then your appeal must be brief. Then you have to use logo to focus on the content of your appeal. Why you have to use logo? Because you know pictures speak louder than words. Now we are going to write appeal of COVID-19. See. Firstly, you have to write catchy slogan. Here I am going to write Venutai Chauhan Hospital Karad, fight courageously against corona. Venutai Chauhan Hospital Karad. Then fight courageously against corona. You can draw some logo here. For example, coronavirus, you can show like this. There is lot of scope to show your creativity. You have to write catchy slogans. You can write your own slogans. Then write, we can kill COVID-19 monster. We can kill COVID-19 monster. monster. Be careful, be cautious, be alert. Be careful, be cautious, be alert. Then write, COVID-19 has affected all the world. We all are in dangerous situation. Though corona is a serious disease, it is in our hands to protect ourselves from infection. Write like this. COVID-19 has affected all the world. We all are in dangerous situation. We all are in dangerous situation. Then write, though corona is a serious disease, though corona is a serious disease, it is in our hands to protect ourselves, You can write like this. Then see, you have to cover all the points provided in your activity sheet. Our first point is symptoms. Symptoms of COVID-19. First is fever, cough, then shortness of breath, then headache and body ache, sore throat, then tiredness. See, fever, cough, shortness of breath, headache and body ache, sore throat, tiredness, all these are the symptoms of COVID-19. You can add some other symptoms also. You can draw some pictures here to enhance the beauty of your appeal. Then next point provided in our activity sheet is precautions. Write like this, precautions. First precaution, avoid large events and mass gatherings. Avoid large events and mass gatherings. Second point, avoid close contact within about 6 feet or 2 meters with anyone who is sick or has symptoms. Means social distancing. In short, you can write social distancing. Then next precaution is wash your hands often with soap and water at least for 20 minutes. or use alcohol based hand sanitizer. Wash your hands frequently, then use alcohol based sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, etc. Use mask. You can add some other precautions also, like avoid self-medication, avoid foreign tours, etc. Then you can write here, stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Then there is no place like home. There is no place like home. You can draw your home here. You can show your creativity here. Then you have to write some effective and catchy having weightage sentences. See, COVID-19 is so egoistic. COVID-19 is so egoistic. It does not enter your home. It does not enter your home without invitation. Without invitation. So don't go outside your home. Outside your home to invite COVID-19. See, COVID-19 is so egoistic. तो खूप स्वाभिमानी आहे. इट डज नॉट एंटर युअर होम विदाऊट इन्व्हिटेशन. तुम्ही निमंत्रण दिल्याशिवाय तो तुमच्या घरात येत नाही. त्यामुळं तुम्ही त्याला निमंत्रण देण्यासाठी घराच्या बाहेर जाऊ नका, कारण तो खूप डेंजरस आहे. You can show some logos here. You can draw some logos here. Then our next point in activity sheet is diet. What type of diet is useful to avoid COVID-19? Say diet. Keep up fruit and vegetable intake. Keep up fruit and vegetable intake. Second one is make cooking and eating fun and meaningful part of your family routine. make cooking fun and meaningful as a routine of your family, as a part of meaningful part of your family routine. Avoid over processed food. Avoid over processed food. Then eat fresh food. Eat fresh food. Then drink more and more water. Drink more water. Then our next point is you have to persuade the people to live in their own home. So you can write like this: if you have symptoms, if you have symptoms, immediately contact वेणुताई चव्हाण, हॉस्पिटल कराड. You can write phone number here 02164. Then now we have to close our appeal by giving some message to the society. So you can end your appeal like this: rest in home. See, rest in home is better than rest in peace. You can draw simple logos of home here. You have to draw some pictures or logos here. You know, rest in home is better than rest in peace. You know meaning of this sentence. Students, definitely you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.